Okay, let's go. We're done. So, hello friends, let me give me my introduction at first. It's me, Sindhis Ronier, who is currently pursuing Bachelor's of Engineering in Civil Engineering from the Dharan IIV Purvanchal campus, and I'm currently in second year first, but yes, second year first, but that's similarly called fourth semester. And right now I'm here presenting some small works, not very big works, but some small works that I had done through my idea. I wanted to do some projects or something extra activities beyond civil, since I have the great interest in computer field, and due to some circumstances, the family pressure, you can say, I was not able to study computer science, but I have great interest, and I have continued my interest by continuously learning new skills and new technologies in the computer field. Beyond, I'm learning civil engineering. So yes, today I'm here showcasing some of my, not some of my first project. Not, you cannot say a project, but a website or a project. Yes, you can say a project, a small work done by me in the field of civil engineering. Especially, I'm just compiling the both computer and civil together, and I made a website. Let me just show you. Let's go with the introduction, or let me just show you. Okay. You can go to dashboard. You can see about my. Okay, let's go to my website. It's called civilhub.com.np. So basically, what this website does, let me just tell you what this website. So in this website, what we did is we made the calculations easy. Like as a civil engineer, we need to learn and remember many formula. And as a beginner, it's very hard for us to remember those formula easily. When you get a more experience, we obviously memorize, and it's become a muscle memory. It chips in our muscle memory, but right now at first we don't know any formula and the calculations clearly. We need to go through some PDFs or Google or anything, so that making that work simple. I made where we can find every formula, every calculation. In fact, we can find calculators, BOQ generators, and different important tools a civil engineer required. Tools for which we need Excel, and sometimes we don't have the Excel. I mean, access to computer, so we can't use Excel. Of in mobile, we can use the Excel in mobile, but it's quite difficult, because doing something in mobile that can be computer, it's quite hard. We have our habit of writing our hand face to the computer keyboard, and it becomes really hard for us to shift to mobile. So for those people who don't want to use Excel but want to do in mobile, or who don't want to use Excel, we have made this website. We can just visit at civilhub.com. I mean civilhub.santosronier.com.np, and you can just see your engineering overview. I will just delete this GPA dashboard. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, here we can find popular tools, like you can see calculators. So you can see here, you can see surveying tools, estimation tools, calculator, and resources. At first, let's go with the surveying tools. Okay, in surveying toolkit we can find different calculations method that will do calculation automatically, like from the rise and fall method, that's very important in surveying. HI method, RL calculator, bearing calculator, we just need to add angles. In rise and method, we can just import an Excel CSV. If you don't know any Excel formula, we can just add here and just fill up the table, and it will automatically do calculator. For example, if I add a station here, and if I edit foresight like 1.90, so you can see the calculation has been done automatically, and you can see status has been failed. Just removed it. Okay, and now if you go for the HI method, same for this, we can download as a CSV file to it. And okay, now let's go for the estimation tool. Okay, in this website we can also see the formulas and the processes, how it has been calculated. Okay, go to the estimation. Okay, as a civil engineer, okay, let me tell you, as a civil engineer, we need to do estimation things like a building, bridge, or anything. So for estimation, I have made work easy. So we can just add go to the quality takeoff, and we can just name of the project, description, everything here. You can see all the civil workers, but you can see here we can add here, and we can just quality takeoff, and we can make a BOQ generator. And in the templates, as you see in the templates, we have added Nepal residential house style. It's of Nepal standard BOQ generator. So here you can see here Nepal style. We can just write a client name, contractor name, date, and everything is already written. So you can just edit and just change the quantity. For example, I have changed the rate 350 to 450. So you can see if we just enter, everything has been here, the amount has been changed, everything has changed. And here you can see everything. We can add item from here, we can add new sections. For example, we have right now we have optional services, finishing, superstructure, substructure, and many more things. And at the end we can just change your percentage. We don't need Excel for this, we can just do it directly. We can just change the VAT. If you want 133%, just it went in the lakhs. Okay, anyways, if you just want 9%, you can see it has. And you know what's the best part? You can directly download a PDF for this. For example, right here, click here in the PDF, it has been saved, and we just we can just here save as a PDF. Okay, just go for the save as a PDF, and just click on the save, just click on the download. So this is the PDF. So it's pretty much clear and beautiful, and the PDF is like this. It's so clear. You can just give it to the contractor, and it will make our work so easy. And next is our rate analysis. Here also you can just add everything you need, every materials, labor cost, everything, and you can just do the rate analysis very easily without touching Excel. Like if you don't know anything about the computer or anything, it's very easy for you. Now let's go for the calculator. We have number of calculator here, around, I guess, around 25 plus calculators we have here. So you can just get the percentage calculator, unit converter, area calculator. We just forgot some formulas, so you can just go through. If it's miss here, so if we just want to search, we can just search. For example, if we just for the concrete calculator, we can just here concrete volume calculator, just click on it, and we can just go for the concrete volume. Select a member type here, like just go for the beam. I would like to add 9 meter here, with 9 meter, and depth, let's go for the 1 meter. Yes, you can just get everything here. Okay, let's go for the excavation volume calculator. Anything you want, any calculator, you can just get here. It was just a small work, although it was Vibe Code 8, but the concept and the idea and the prompt was given by me. Yes, that's how I made it. It was a small initiation for myself to do something, to create something, to make something, to get confidence in doing something. That was pretty good, I guess, from my perspective. For me, that was a simple boost for me to continue working in new projects. And right now I am working in some BMD, I mean a beam calculator. Right now I'm working in something called beam calculator. The calculator name is the structural calculator, and it's currently working. It currently works Python based library and some algorithms. So let's start our server, and we are working on it. Not completed yet. Let me just see. Okay, as you can see, yes. Here we have a beam, and we can just calculate different loads that can be applied on the beam, which gives a shear force diagram, bending moment diagram, and deflection diagram, and many more. We can also calculate for the RCC beam design. I have more beautiful version of this, which is called calculator 1. Let me just show you, which is called structural calculator 1. You can just see this. I will not run it now. It's not completed yet. It has some bugs. I'll just fix, and I will make another video, and I made another video. I will make another video about it, and that's it. You can just see a report. It also generates a PDF reports. You can see it's like this. Okay, that's it. It also made a Vibe Code 8, but it was my concept. I was fed up making this BMD SMD in copy, so I thought, why not make these? And that's it. I just want to show you something more about it. I guess yes, that's it. That's it for today. You can just see here every code is written here, every file, every return code, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Be sure to join in my journey. I don't want any subscription. I don't want you to subscribe or like or share my video. Just watch it, and if you don't want to watch, that's great too. I'm doing actually for myself, for boosting self confidence or documenting my life, about my bachelor's life. That's it. See you soon in next video. Peace out. Wait. No. This peace out. I said cut the video. Hey, sorry. I said cut the video. That sounds good. That's what I said.